questions not run through in our lesson, so I will record a video. Yeah, these two kind of question about the number table. So number table is a very important question in the RMO, and every year we'll test at least one number table. Sometimes the number table will include some knowledge point as the arithmetic sequence, and sometimes, yeah, they will include the geometric sequence. So it's a very important type of question. So yeah, I just picked two very hard questions. Actually, it's not so hard. So first one, yeah, let's observe the number table. So in number table, the most important part is you need to find out the pattern. So what kind of pattern is it in this kind of number table? So yeah, you can have a look, and after that, obviously this one is very easy. You can see, okay, so it's several consecutive number. That means this is the basic of number table. So we can have a look. This one, if we think this one is x, I can write this one is x minus 7, x plus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 7. So we can actually find out the space, the square next to the things. So now we need to find out the sum is 86. So that means if this one is x, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 1. This one is x, x plus 1, x plus 7. This is x, x plus 1, x plus 8, x minus 1, x plus 6. And this one is x, x minus 7, x plus 1, x minus 1, and x plus 7. So that means, okay, so we can calculate the sum. So this one, the sum is 3x. This one, the sum is 3x plus 8. This one, the sum is 5x plus 14. And this one, the sum is 4x. Then we just need to find out how we can build this sum equals to 86. Then you can find only one can, because 3x plus 8 equals to 86. X equals to 3x equals to 78. Then x equals to 26. So only b we can have the integer. Then maybe you think other things. Okay, you can calculate. None of them. X is a kind of integer. So here's the answer. Okay, so about question 20. Yeah, this one is very, very hard. You need to observe the black part. So this one, 1. This one, 2. This one, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then continue. Then you can find, okay, so the first one is the first one. We call we color it as the black one. And the second one is the third one. The third one is 6, the fourth one is 10, the fifth one is 15, and the sixth one is 21, the seventh one is 28. Okay, so now let's think about in one row, how many numbers do we have? We have 8. So we just divide by 8. We can find the remainder is 1, remainder 3, remainder 6, remainder 2, remainder 7, remainder 5, and remainder 4. So now you can continue list. Then actually, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, we continue like that. So we can write down the black square. Actually, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus blah 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 plus 2 n. And that means if we cannot at least, how can I find at least one shaded square in each column? And what is the number in the final shaded square? Then we need to find out how we can meet this condition. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 to the n, that means n plus 1 times n divided by 2. So that means we need to find out one, that this one mod 8 equals to, the remainder should be 0. Okay, mod 8. So that means n plus 1 times n mod should be 0, mod 16. So we can find n equals to 15. It's the smallest one. So the final answer should be 15 times 16 divided by 2 equals to 120. So this one is pretty hard. It combines the number table and the remainder problem.